Okay, so I've only got this much left, guys, and it feels like the last bits are taking forever, but I've got to do what I've got to do. I've got an occasion tomorrow. My homegirl is turning 30. Hey. Anyways, but I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me in my own style. Hey, so I have succeeded. I've taken out everything, so now I need to detangle this bad boy. So can you imagine, have cut a piece of my hair? Can you imagine that little piece of my hair? Oh my gosh, I don't know how I could be so careless. And the joke, my friend was like, be careful. My friend that I was with last week, be careful. I was just like, I know how to take off my hair. But she was like, be careful when you cut in the braids. And look what I've just done. You guys know the struggle, yeah? How long it takes me to grow this front hair. And look, I cut a little piece. Anywho, good morning. I look like a hot mess at the moment, but I'm about to deep condition my hair. I must say I'm really happy with the results of my hair after taking out my braids. The shedding and the amount of hair that came out, not much came out at all. And I think everything just goes to everything that I did last year in terms of maintaining a really good healthy hair routine. Okay, my hair has been conditioned, so I need to wash this out. But look at the shrinkage. Shrinkage is good. If you have conditioned your hair and your hair goes this short, it is very, very good. It's a good sign of healthy hair. I'm only speaking for myself. I'm only speaking for my texture. I'm 4C, so those in the 4 categories, this is the a very good sign. But anyway, this is not a hair tutorial, but you will be seeing a lot of things around my hair. Flat twisted it. Yeah, I know it looks really but I don't really care about how it looks underneath, because it's gonna go underneath my wig, so it doesn't matter. And plus I don't really put heat on my hair, so I only put heat on my hair like every 3 months or 8 weeks, depends, but I don't put heat on my hair frequently. So I try to do non-heat ways of air drying my hair and stretching at the same time, and this is one of them. And I never do my nails, but I quickly painted my nails this hot pink. Don't know if it's focusing. It is. Don't watch that, it's not that neat, but yeah, something, you know what I mean, like let my nails look a little bit, you know, responsible, eh? okay, so now to start to wrap the present. So I got her 2 bags. So she likes quirky things, so I got her a like a little holiday nice bag. I wanted it to be a bit unique, because I know she always used to say to me, oh, I like different things, so I was like, okay, let me make sure that I get her something different. And I also got her a black bag as well. She can use as an everyday bag, or even if she's going out as well. So I need to start to wrap this. So I'm going to wrap it with some wrapping paper. It's got some presents on it. And then I've got some tape. Find it so difficult to kind of hold this camera and like talk to you guys at the same time. And then of course I need to find some scissors to wrap this. So let me stop talking and let me start wrapping. Don't know how I've managed to do this, but I don't think I've put enough wrapping paper, but I have to try this. Let me not deceive you guys, yeah? This side looks nice and neat, but if I show you the other side, you're gonna scream. Let's see. look what I've done. So you remember that little line that I had, yeah? So I've tried to, yeah, hide it with some extra paper. If there is anyone who could help me straighten this wig, I would be forever grateful. Hey, please wish me luck. I need to straighten my wig, of course, for today, and of course I have been very last minute. But one thing I did do in advance is I did wash and condition this wig. So I did it in the boiling method. So basically you can dip it in you dip it in a pot, put the conditioner, and then you let it boil for a few minutes, whatever. But there's loads of videos on YouTube about it. Okay, so I have placed my wig on a head, so I'm about to straighten it. So this is my long one. I decided to go for my long one because I've been, you know, to be honest, I haven't worn my wig in a long time. But I haven't worn wigs in a long time, but I haven't worn my long one in a hot minute. So now is the time to bring it back up. So some of the stuff that I'm going to use: hot comb. Yep, I'll use the hot comb more for the top part of my wig to flatten that. Some serum before and after. So this is it focusing? I don't think it's focusing, but this is John Frieda straighteners. Hey. Let me not forget, I'll be using my Motion hair mousse. I tend to use this for the top part as well. Hey, a thin comb. So whilst I'm straightening, I'll use the comb to spread out the hair better. Some kind of scarf as well I'll be using to flatten the closure part of my hair as well once I place the mousse. My face, so I'm going to start my MUA routine. Wish me luck. My Smashbox primer, and then I'm going to be mixing two of my foundations, which is going to be my Lancôme Teint Miracle, my Giorgio Armani. Give you a better view of that. Yep. And then I know I've done a video on like my foundations that are good for dry skin. Now, born this way, I'm going to use this as my highlighter, and then I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty to contour my face. Got my MAC blush. You can see like it's almost done. Like it's actually done. I need to get a new one. I use my MAC bronzer or highlighter or whatever. It just gives me that little nice, you know, highlight popping on fleek look. Hair glue for my lashes. If you guys choose to use hair glue on your lashes, that is at your own risk. My Fix Plus spray. To set my concealer, I use my Mercia powder. Okay, so this is where I am at with my foundation routine. Unfortunately, I cannot film the whole thing. I'm not there. I'm not one of those ones that can start filming my whole face and doing makeup at the same time. But yeah, I'm halfway through, so I'm just going to blend this out quickly. I'll stop talking now so that it doesn't dry. Okay guys, so my makeup is done, so I need to put my wig on. My sister always says that, oh, I don't know, she goes through these, she loves makeup, but she's like, oh, new technique, don't put foundation on your forehead, just highlight and whatever and contour. So I didn't put foundation on my forehead this time round, and I just highlighted and contoured, and yeah, I like it. Nice perspective, because I'm sure she's gonna ask what results were you expecting to see. So I think with me, I think that my contour shows more on my forehead when I don't put the foundation. So okay, cool. So I put on my wig, so I'm now gonna flatten the top even further with this hot comb. So I tend to use the back of the hot comb, and then I'm just gonna literally flatten this. So I'm not gonna use this whilst I'm filming. Okay, slowly by slowly my look is coming together. I'm just trying to give you guys some angles, but I'm gonna re-straighten this again because now it's on my head, so I want to straighten it properly with pressure, and then I'm gonna fix up all of this because I've got a bit of like fly out, so I'm gonna fix it. I have actually stood up for you guys, so I'm actually standing on my bed, if that makes sense, just to get good lighting, good angle. But I'm gonna now put this, which is the Kera styling wax, and what I do is I literally just put a little bit of this on top of my closure so that the fly outs can stay laid. Alright guys, so this is my outfit. So this is the final look. So I've gone for a black velvet dress from New Look. So it went down from £20 to £8, and then I'm wearing my gold heels with it. Basically my friend's theme is velvet and pearls. So you could go for any pearly colour or wear pearls, or go for any velvet colour. So I decided to go for the velvet look. So wish me luck. I'm going to celebrate her 30th. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm going to make my way now. But guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me.